Right, so I had a new exhaust fitted. It's probably about 5 months ago now, and it's just started making a really annoying banging noise. So I just want to see what it's banging against. So it's making that noise. So all the brackets, as far as I can see, haven't got around down the front yet, are attached. But it's doing that. So let's start it and see if I can see what it's hitting. So I think because I'm on a slant, it's not actually doing it. Don't know whether you can hear it now. You hear the rumbling? So you can hear it inside the car when it's on the flat, but when it's parked up on the drive, which is a slight angle, it doesn't do it. The question is, can I improvise using some sound deadening, which is magic sponges, attached with cable ties to an area of the chassis which I identify as where it's knocking. If hopefully I can get it cable tie around a section of it. Would that work? It should do. It should stop it from rattling. But would that solution fail an MOT? Can't see why. It doesn't stop the exhaust from doing its job. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would that be an MOT failure if I add some sound deadening for the exhaust?